Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can send spreadsheets from Google Sheet to someone via email. So let us get started, guys. So if you'd like to send a spreadsheet to your friends or contacts, this is how you can do it via email. So navigate to the spreadsheet here on Google Sheets, click into File in the top left, and then hover your mouse over email instead of share here, right? And then choose email this file, right? And after that, guys, enter the recipient's email address here. You can also decide to send yourself a copy. Remember that you're also logged in with your Google account with the associated Google account, because you may, for example, receive notifications or replies from the person to the associated email address. And then enter the subject here, like, for example, the spreadsheet name. You may enter a message below, like, I don't know, that's the spreadsheet you have requested, and then select the file type. For example, go with Microsoft Excel, spreadsheet, or PDF, and then click into send to send the spreadsheet to the contact via email. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.